So what is the point of technology? The point is to improve everyone's life, but we're pretty far from that goal. My name is Marco Berlo, and I'm the founder of CodeXYZ. Technology is everywhere. We spend 80% of our time during the day interacting with technological devices. We wake up, we check our phone. We work, we use a computer. When we listen to music, we have artificial intelligence that is suggesting us new songs. We're always connected to the internet, and we're always ready to receive a message, a call, or a gift. But do we actually know how all of this works? During my bachelor in computer engineering, I spent 1 year in Shanghai. There, I had the great opportunity to talk to people with a very different background compared to mine, and I had the opportunity to understand and learn about a different culture. And that's the first time I realized that knowledge about technology is not spread equally among people and communities. And once I came back home, I could not unsee it. My own country was dealing with the same problem. Very few people had a good understanding of tech, but most were struggling to even understand the most basic concepts. The struggle is real. Even if there are many places where people can learn about tech, the result is that most of us get lost among the quantity of information that exists out there. And when events that revolutionize the tech world happen, it's hard for us to understand what's going on. The world's changing fast. Technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and cloud computing are revolutionizing the places we live in. And it's fundamental that all of us have a good understanding of what their potential impact is, so that we can have a voice on how those things will be applied in our societies. And make sure that we improve everyone's life. Moving to New York allowed me to meet even more people with a much different background compared to mine. I had the opportunity to be in the founding team of a startup that is revolutionizing the digital learning ecosystem. I then moved to a company that is innovating and using some of the most impactful technologies that lie at the intersection of artificial intelligence and cloud computing. And that's when I decided I should share my journey and build CodeXYZ. So what's CodeXYZ? 1. CodeXYZ is a digital space where everyone can learn about technology. It's a place where we give value to understanding concepts from the basics, so that anyone can start and not get lost by the time they get to most advanced topics. 2. It's a place where we'd rather use intuitive examples and visualizations instead of complex math formulas. But most importantly, it is a community of people that want to share their ideas on how tech is shaping our world. If all of this sounds important to you, then make sure you join our community.